Hi everybody, look, today I have my friend Alfie with me and today we're going to read his story. When will it be spring? Are you ready? Shall we start? Yes? Then we need big eyes, elephant ears and zip. And let's start. Come inside, Alfie, said Mummy Bear. It's time to sleep. And when you wake up, spring will be here. When will it be spring? Said Alfie. And how will I know when it's here? And Mummy Bear said, when the flowers come out and the bees and butterflies start to fly, spring will be here. So Alfie snuggled down to sleep. But when he woke up, Alfie could not tell if spring had come or not. He tipped up across the floor of the cave, rubbed his blurry eyes and saw butterflies, said Alfie. It's spring, Mummy, wake up, spring is here, I can see the butterflies. But Mummy Bear said, no, those are not butterflies, those are bats. And look, there's snow everywhere. I'm sorry, Alfie, but spring is not here. You have to go back to sleep. But when will it be spring, said Alfie. And Mummy Bear said, when the birds begin to sing, then it will be spring. So then Alfie went back to sleep, and when he woke up, he was sure it must be time for spring. He crept across the floor, peered outside and saw birds in the trees. Mummy Bear, wake up! Spring is here. The birds are singing in the trees. But no, Alfie, those are not birds. You're dreaming, Alfie. Now go back to sleep. But Mummy Bear, when will it be spring? And Mummy Bear said, when the sun is bright and the air is warm, then it will be spring. So Alfie went back into the cave. He went down to sleep. And when he woke up, he was sure spring was here. Yes, I can see. He went out and saw a bright sun. Look. Mummy Bear, you're overslept, said Alfie. Wake up, spring is here. The sun's out and it's beautifully warm. But look, when Mummy Bear went outside, she could only see a hunter's fire. Quick! Alfie, let's go. Now go to sleep. I will tell you when it's spring. So Alfie slept and dreamt of butterflies, of birds, of a sunshine, till something icy touched his nose. A tiny stream of water was trickling through the cave. Alfie shook his mother awake, and she said, for the last time, Alfie, now go to sleep. But no, Mummy, I'm sure spring is here. So her mummy stumped through the doorway and saw the spring. Yes, finally it arrived. Mummy Bear rubbed her eyes and blinked in the warm, bright light. Spring is here after all, she smiled. But where is Alfie? There he is, hiding in the flowers, cheeky Alfie. The end. Well, I hope you enjoyed this week's story. I'll see you next week. Take care. Bye.